welcome to our YouTube channel. It's another weekend for our weekly analysis where we talk about what we expect of the market the previous week and what actually comes to fruition. Today, this is 12th of the month of October 2025. The analysis today will be what I'll be using in viewing the market from on the 13th till 17th of October 2025. So let's dive into today's activities. We are starting with our big weather, which is the dollar index. As of last week and for a while, I've been expecting the market price to on dollar index. I've been interested in the level 99 big figure. So the level 99 big figure has been taken, and my next target is also very close, which is 99.575. So the market price was shy of some movement. 99. Oh, right again. The market price was shy of some movements into 99.575 because the eye of this candle comes in at 99.563. So the moment as long as the market price stays above 98.500, then I'm still being bullish on dollar index. As long as the market price found support at around 98.500, then I'm still sticking to that level above. So we go to our cable, which is the GBP USD. GBP USD last week I was interested in the market price visiting 1.33 thousand, and 1.33 thousand has been taken. We've had a very beautiful movement into 1.33 thousand. 1.33 thousand has been delivered. So in the coming week, I'll be watching how the market price will react to the yellow shaded area. As long as the market price stays below the consequence encroachment of this yellow shaded area, then I'm still bearish on what? On GBP USD, which is the cable. So I'm expecting the consequence encroachment of the yellow shaded area. If it should serve as a resistance to the price, then 1.33 thousand and 1.32 thousand will be my goal. Then go to fiber Euro USD. Euro USD last week I was interested in the market price gravitating towards 1.15740. 1.15740. So the level 1.15740 also has been taken. So 1.15740, which was the low here, because 1.15740 is a kind of a long term, the low of this candle that forms on the 27th of August 2025. The low was 1.15740. So the low has been taken. Now the coming week, how do I decide with this? So I have a fair value gap here, a bullish fair value gap. This is a buy side imbalance, a side inefficiency. The inefficient movement has started. So this movement here needs to be refilled. So the coming week, I'll be watching if we could get the level 1.15500 again, because the level 1.15500 also has been taken, but the market has reversed. So as long as the market price stays below 1.17 thousand on fiber, 1.17 thousand will be my resistance level. If the market price stays below 1.17 thousand, then I'll be interested in the level 1.15500 to 1.15 thousand. So 1.15 thousand, 1.15500 to 1.15 thousand. So let's go to our S&P 500. S&P 500, as last week, I was interested in the level um 6750, 6750 to be taken, but the level 6750 has been taken before the whipsaw, before we see this crash here. So the level 6750 had been taken, the level 6750 had been taken already. 6750 happened, I think, on Tuesday. Yeah, on Tuesday. Shut up some movement on web on Wednesday, but it happens on Tuesday, and then on Friday the market dropped. It was a crash though. So the coming week on S&P 500, Dow futures, Nasdaq, every one of them, I'll be housing off and see how the market price will react and decide on it, because every of my support level has been broken and my target has been met. So I need to recalibrate on S&P 500, on Dow futures, the same thing. Because on Dow futures last week I was interested in the level 40, 47, I think 47 500, if the market stays above 46,000. So the level 46,000 has been broken to the downside, and then every form of every level I had my eyes on has been broken to the downside. So I need to see what will happen before taking the next line of action. Same thing on Nasdaq. On Nasdaq last week, I was interested in the level 25,000, but the level 25,000 has been taken also, but the market price dropped on Friday. It was a very large drop. So the coming week, I'll be watching how is the market going to react before I push a button on S&P 500, Nasdaq, and the Dow futures. So let's go to gold. Gold last week I was expecting gold to make another all-time high, which is I was interested in the 4,000 level. So the 4,000 level has been taken as well. It has been met. So on gold, I'm still I'm still interested in gold staying in 4,000. But if the market price drops below 4,000, then we'll be thinking of something else. So presently on gold, my support level will be 4,000. So if the level 4,000 breaks to the downside, then I'll be watching 39,000 and 30. Sorry, 3,900 or 3,800 or thereabouts. Then let's go to BTC. Last but not the least, BTC, the level last week I mentioned if the market price crosses 120,000, then we should see a new all-time high on BTC, which has happened. But the moment we see a new all-time high and the market price drops below 120,000, then we should be expecting 115,000 also drop into 112. If you could see a deeper movement, we should be able to see 108. Every of this level I mentioned, from 120, from the all-time high to 120 to 112, everything has been met on BTC. On BTC, everything has been met. Now, the lowest hanging fruit is the sell side here. We have the sell side here. The sell side below here. So that will be around 107 or thereabouts. So all the same, the low of this candle here is the lowest hanging fruit for what? For BTC. The moment the blue shaded area decides to act as a what's it called? As a resistance to the price, the blue shaded area, if it happens to the consequence encroachment of this blue shaded area, if it acts as a resistance to the price, then we are dropping down into 107. So on BTC, I'll be watching how it will also react. So everything in next week, I'll be watching how the market will react after the crash. So at this level, at this point, I'll be calling it a day. Thank you for coming this far with us. Thank you for being part of the family. Really love and appreciate you. The Forex market, I am not a licensed financial advisor. So the fact that I trade the Forex with my money does not mean you should do the same thing. Trading the Forex market comes with a lot of risk, and you should know your risk appetite before venturing into it. Unlike what the social media portrays today, Forex market is not a get rich quick scheme, but it is a must get rich if you know your way and you know how to navigate and you have the necessary knowledge. There is no magic, you just need the necessary knowledge. Thank you once again. Bye for now. Trade responsibly and be safe. Bye.